In today's video, we're going to be working on my Craftsman zero-turn lawnmower. Here at the property, I have about 2 acres of grass. Well, it's not all grass, but I've got 2 acres and a lot of it's grass. Having a tractor mower will take forever to cut the grass. I tried that at first, and then I just ended up getting a zero-turn. This is a Craftsman. It says it's a 8400 ProSeries. It's a 54-inch deck. I don't see a lot of content on these lawnmowers, so if you're watching this, you probably have the same lawnmower. I love this lawnmower. It's kind of like in between a professional lawnmower and a, I don't know, home, I guess, per se, lawnmower. This thing's been awesome. It's super sturdy. It's done the job, and no complaints on my end. The reason for this video is, if you see right there, I just picked that up off a marketplace. That thing right there is it's a trailer, and I got that to basically move stuff around the yard if I need to, like mulch and whatnot. That thing usually retails for like $400, like anywhere from $300-400, and I got lucky, scored it for like $60. But if you notice with these lawnmowers, and if you have the same lawnmower, it doesn't have a hitch on the back. But we have a solution for that. So let me show you guys what I just got. So I just got this little bracket thing off of Amazon, and I'll go ahead and insert a link in the description down below to this product. Did buy this thing first. Where is this at? I bought this one first. This one's a little more beefy. If you look at the thickness of this metal versus the thickness of that one, you can tell that the one on top is more beefy. This is awesome. The only problem is it's too small for the 2 holes. I think that should be, I mean, it says that that's compatible for a lot of Craftsman and Husqvarna mowers. However, it's not compatible with this one. With this one, what you're going to do is you measure from center to center, and it is 6 inches. So in the pictures and in the description, this is compatible. So if you look right there, it's compatible. Now I already have these loose. I'm going to show you guys how to get this off. Alright, so I've already loosened up these bolts right here, but they are a 13 mil. I'm going to go ahead and get these off. Alright, now you can keep this back. So this heat shield right here, just keep it right there. That's what's going to hold our bolts on the other side. Alright, so we're going to take our plate, basically just add it. There we go. And we're going to go ahead and secure it. Yay. Alright, so here is the setup. Now a hitch pin, so your standard pin that you would use for like a trailer hitch, actually doesn't work. I guess the hole on the trailer is a little too small. So right now I just have a little bolt, but I'll go ahead and insert in the description down below a link to a pin that would work better, and I'm probably going to order one of those as well. But just to give you guys a little walk around, you can see that. Now, I mean, depending on if it bothers me down the road, I might just make a little, like a drop hitch, maybe just like a rectangular shaped plate with the 2 mounting holes up top, and then just kind of mount that thing a little lower. But just to show you guys quickly a little bit on the trailer, what's cool about this, you know, obviously it's got a lot of space in there. It's a Craftsman as well, so it matches the brand of this thing. You can go ahead and release this lever right here. Bring that up, and it's a dump trailer. So yeah, that's pretty neat. Alright guys, so that pretty much wraps it up for this video. This application is pretty generic for a lot of zero-turn lawnmowers. However, this is specific to my Craftsman 54-inch. I'm going to go ahead and insert a link in the description down below to the hitch plate looking thing, and a pin that I'm going to order that should work for this. Well, it will work. Yeah, thank you guys for watching, and I do plan on doing a little bit more videos on this Craftsman lawnmower, just because I can't find anything on it. I'm going to go ahead and change the oil in the next video, and I'll eventually do a tune-up. If you have any questions on the lawnmower that maybe I might have the answers to, go ahead and insert them in the comments down below. But for now, thank you guys for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.